These are almost extinct today. These are different from a digital computer because an analog computer can only perform several mathematical operations. It uses continuous variables for mathematical operations and utilizes mechanical or electrical energy. They use digital circuits and are designed to operate on two states, namely bits 0 and 1. They are analogous to states on and off. Data on these computers is represented as a series of zeros and ones. Digital computers are suitable for complex computation and have higher processing speed. They are programmable. These computers are the combinations of both digital and analog computers. In this type of computers, the digital segment performs process controlled by conversion of analog signals to digital ones. Large organizations use mainframes for highly critical applications such as bulk data processing and ERP or enterprise resource planning. Most of the mainframe computers have the capacities to host multiple operating systems and operate as a number of virtual machines and can substitute for several small servers. In terms of size and processing capacity, mini computers lie in between mainframes and microcomputer. Mini computers are also called mid-range system or workstations. The term began to be popularly used in the 1960s to refer the relatively smaller third-generation computer. They are computers designed to provide services to client machines in a computer network. They have larger storage capacities and powerful processors. Running on them are programs that serve clients' requests and allocate resources like memory and time to client machines. They are designed to be fail-safe and resistant to crash. The highly calculation-intensive task can be effectively performed by means of supercomputers. Quantum physics, mechanics, weather forecasting, molecular theory are best studied by means of supercomputers. A computer with a microprocessor and its central processing unit, it is known as a microcomputer. They do not occupy space as much as mainframes do. When supplemented with a keyboard and a mouse, microcomputers can be called personal computers. A desktop is intended to be used on a single location. The spare parts of a desktop computer are readily available and relatively lower cost. Power consumption is not as critical as that in laptops. Desktops are widely popular for daily use in the workplace and households. Similar on operations to desktop, laptop computers are miniaturized and optimized for mobile use. Laptops run on a single battery or an external adapter that charges the computer batteries. It is a handheld computer and popularly known as a palm top. It has a touchscreen and a memory card for storage of data. PDA can also be used as portable audio players, web browsers, and smartphones. Most of them can access the internet by means of Bluetooth or Wi-Fi communication. They fall in the category of laptops, but are inexpensive and relatively smaller in size. They had a smaller feature set and lesser capacities in comparison to regular laptops at the time they came into the market. Tablets are mobile computers that are very handy to use. They use the touchscreen technology. Tablets come with an on-screen keyboard or use a stylus or a digital pen. This computer can be worn on the body and are often used in the study of behavior modeling and human health.